Larson Electronics IND SM248L UVC-AT25C is an industrial UV sanitation light which can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores in large facilities. This unit offers UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with 8 UVC fluorescent lamps. A top-located carrying handle allows the UV light to be carried or moved around the facility. The bottom of the light contains pads to reduce slipping on surfaces. This light is a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. This UV system caters to 1,000 square feet of space with 360 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the light around after exposure time to disinfect several sections. An accessible digital timer enables operators to set exposure times. The lights will automatically turn off when the set time is complete. With the recommended 30 minutes of exposure time for viruses, multiple units can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. At startup, there is a built-in 1 minute and 30-second delay to allow individuals to safely leave the room after deploying the device. The light also has a built-in motion sensor that will shut the lights off when motion is detected. The light will resume cleaning after no motion has been detected for 30 seconds. 2 warning signs and a pair of safety glasses are included with this unit. This portable sanitation light operates on 120 volts AC or 220 volts AC. This unit is equipped with 25 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options include the following:
Alright, so when you first receive your cart, it's actually fully assembled and ready to use. So what you're going to do is you're basically just going to put the cart in the desired location. We recommend that you set it in the center of the room to be sanitized. Basically you want to make sure that there's nothing around the cart because it's going to block the light. Anything that the light is blocked from touching, it does not get sanitized. So if you have like corners or nooks and crannies or things in the way, then that part of the room is not going to be sanitized. So you want to make sure that everything is out of the way. Now, once you have your cart in the desired location, you can actually use these wheel locks. 2 of the wheels have these, so you'll lock those down. And that's going to make it to where the cart doesn't roll around while it's in sanitation mode. Once you come back to retrieve the cart, obviously you want to unlock those by picking them back up. And now the cart is free to roll again. It's already configured to be used like I said, so basically you're just going to match the plug with a compatible receptacle. Make sure it's outputting the correct voltage. You'll plug it in and you'll notice that the screen lights up. This is your timer. Right now it says 75 minutes. If you use these black buttons on the side, you can change the time, go up in 15-minute increments or down in 15-minute increments. Notice when I hit down, it goes down to 60. Down again, 45. Down again, 30. We recommend a 30-minute exposure time. If you need more exposure time than that, then just run the lamp again. So basically, once you get your timer set, it's now ready to run. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this green button and you'll see the timer start to count down. It's going to give you 90 seconds to get out of the room before the lamp actually comes on. You can stop this timer at any time by pressing one of the timer buttons over here, and see it brings the timer back up. And then you just set your time again, hit the green button, countdown starts again. So what happens is it's going to give you the 90 seconds to get out of the room, then the lamp is going to turn itself on. It's going to run for that 30 minutes, and then it'll turn itself off, at which point you can come in and retrieve the lamp. This lamp is also equipped with motion sensors. As you can see right here, it's a microwave motion sensor. So basically what that's going to do is any kind of movement around the machine while it's on will cause it to actually shut off temporarily. Once the motion has stopped, it will come back on, but this does not interrupt the timer, so it will affect the disinfecting time. The timer will keep counting even when it shuts off like that. Anytime you are exposed to UV light, make sure that you have on protection. You want to protect your skin and your eyes. You never want to look directly into the UV light that can damage your eyes. It can also give you a severe sunburn, can cause skin lesions, things like that. So definitely make sure you're protected. But this lamp, being that it has the motion sensors, the idea is if you walk into the room while it's on, it will turn itself off, which protects you from being exposed.
These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.